Here's the Bimini top for the forward-facing arch towers on the Cobalts. It's encased right now and it's Bimini boot. The first thing you want to do is unvelcro on both sides. And then we're going to unzip the boot. Unravel the canvas a couple times. The next thing I'm going to do is loosen my short little supports. There's a little square mechanism on the receptacle side. You want to push that away from where the little foot goes into, and they'll pop out. Do that on both sides. Then same thing with the lower foot. Remove that, and we're going to move it up one position. Click it in. Go over to the other side. Do the same thing. Move it up one position. And then from there, I'm going to attach the lower one on the front side of the Bimini. Sometimes you got to wiggle that back and forth by rotating it and the little foot in order to get it in place. I'm going to leave this side undone because I need a little bit more leverage to actually get the Bimini folded up and over. So this next part, I'm going to grab the top frame and deploy it on back. Now before I pull it tight, I want to make sure that the Bimini seam is running down the middle so I know that it's lined up correctly. Pull it over just a smidge, and then I'll go ahead and pull this side up and over the anchor light. Now I'll go ahead and connect my other short little stanchion, again by twisting it a little bit to get it perfectly in place. And now I'm going to need my last piece, which is my extension rods for the back to hold it down to the boat. Now, depending upon the actual year of your Cobalt, those stanchions are either going to be located in the forward seat compartment, clicked into the bulkhead, or in this particular boat, which is a 2020, come up to the very front and they're clipped in the forward part. Grab one of these guys. We're going to come on back here, and now the flat edge goes up here. This is a spring pin that has a little foot on the end. You want to make sure that foot lines up with the pin in order to get it out. We're going to go ahead and wiggle this guy in just like so. Line up our pin, push it on through, and then we're going to just pull the bar down just a little bit and then click it into place. Now these are double threaded, and so you can basically turn it to the right to tighten it down, and that will pull the framework down to make it so you have a really tight Bimini. You can then go ahead and do up all your Velcro pieces around the Bimini frame to make it nice and tight. Putting it away is just the opposite. Start at the back with the stanchions, go ahead and release one of your short little forward pieces, fold it over, release your other piece, move the framework down, wrap up the canvas on itself, and then zip it away. That's it.